Dear students of class 6, dear student, I am Rajendra Rai, science teacher at LBM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, presenting this digital video for your learning. My dear students, this is the chapter 1, that is the food, and food where does it comes from, means the food which is available for us and the sources of that food, that you will study in this chapter. My dear student, first of all you have to know the food. The food, this word food means the material which is required by us for our survival, for our living, is called food. And so many types of materials are there. So many types of materials are there that are responsible for the preparation of a dish. And that materials are called ingredients. So different types of the ingredients, when they mix together in the different proportions, then there will be the chance of the formation of a specific dish. And a specific dish like North Indian, South Indian, Punjabi, Bangla food, etc. in our country. So in our country there are several type of the food habits are there. Like the bread of the Makkah and green vegetable from mustard, that is the famous food for Punjab. The fish curry and rice, that is the famous food for Bengal. Idli dosa, that is the famous food of the Tamil Nadu. Poha, that is the famous food of the Madhya Pradesh. Dhokla, that is the famous food of the Gujarat. Bada pav, that is the famous food for the Maharashtra. So in our country, this is country which is diversified a lot by language, by food habit, by living status, by living pattern, etc. So there are so many types of the food dishes are available in our country, and different types of the people, they like that. My dear student, now come to the point that what are the sources of the food? The sources of the food are, there are different sources, as you know. The sources like plants and animals and plants. These are two sources of the food. Dear students, animals and its products, animals and their products. In this category, in this type of the source of the food, we can get milk, we can get cheese, we can get ghee, we can get butter, we can get fish, chicken, meat, etc. So these are the types of the food, different types of the food which we can get from the either by the products of the animal or by the animal itself, which contributes the food for us, for our survival. Now plants, vegetables, Vegetables. Vegetables means leaf, stem and roots. Then flower and then fruits. So these are the other type of the food which we can get from the plants. And the herbivores, mainly herbivores are vegetarian people. They like the food that is obtained from the different types of the plants. My dear students, vegetables means the food dishes which are prepared by the leaf and stem and roots are comes under the vegetables. Flowers, the example of flower like cauliflower, cabbage. This is cabbage. Cauliflower. This is the example of fruit. Mango, apple, orange, banana, etc. So these are the different types of the food that you can eat either from the plant source or from the animal source. My dear student, as you know that these food are having the different essential components, among them like carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, minerals, proteins, etc. So as far as our requirement is concerned, as per our requirement, we can take the such type of any kind of protein, any kind of fat, any kind of carbohydrate, and that is essential for our survival. Dear student, carbohydrate provide us energy. Carbohydrate provide us energy, while protein provide the growth of the body, while fat, that is for the reserve source energy. Fat is available for as the reserve source energy. If we eat fat, then it means that we are taking the reserve source of energy, and fat get deposited in our body, and whenever the energy required, then that fat will be converted into the carbohydrate, and that carbohydrate will provide the energy. So my dear students, now come to the different traits, different types of the foods, different types of the dishes. And the different types of the dishes are chapati, dal, rice, pulao, and so many dishes are there that people like. People like or dislike the dishes as prepared. And nowadays so many dishes, South Indian dishes, North Indian dishes, Italian dishes, Chinese dishes, American dishes, so many dishes are there, and people enjoy these dishes as a food. My dear students, we need energy for maintaining our life as well as the repairment of the damaged part in our body, and that energy is capable to do all the things in our body, and that energy comes from the food. The protein which provide the body building, body growth of us, so that we can grow. So my dear students, this is the first video which probably you like, and if you like, please like this video. If you dislike, please dislike this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.